Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on fractions on the number line. With respect to the number line, we have been looking at whole numbers, both positive and negative only at this stage. I think it is easy to see that there are other numbers existing between the whole numbers, namely fractions. Consider the following number line, this blue one here. If we consider some fractions between 0 and 1, it is easy to understand that such fractions as a half, a third, 2/3, 3/4, etc. exist here. So we're just looking at this interval here between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1 we have many fractions of various sizes. If we magnify this short interval from 0 to 1, we have the following. So we have 5 number lines here, all from 0 to 1, and we have all the various fractions here lying on each of the number lines. The fractions that line up exactly above or below each other are equivalent fractions. For example, if we just take these four here, a half, 2/4, 3/6 and 4/8, because they line up perfectly, they are equivalent fractions. Consider the following number lines between 0 and 1. So here are 3 number lines with various fractions on them. We can use the above number lines to answer the following questions. Write an equivalent fraction for 1/6. There is 1/6. It lies directly above 2/12, so 2/12 is the equivalent fraction. Write two equivalent fractions for 1/3. There is 1/3, directly above 2/6 and 4/12. So the answer, 2/6 and 4/12 are the two equivalent fractions. Write an equivalent fraction for 3/6. There is 3/6, directly above 6/12. So 6/12 is the equivalent fraction. Write two equivalent fractions for 2/3. There's 2/3 there, directly above 4/6 and 8/12. So 4/6 and 8/12 are the equivalent fractions. Write an equivalent fraction for 10/12. There's 10/12 there, directly below 5/6. So 5/6 is the equivalent fraction. The above number lines can be used to answer the following questions. Write the simplest equivalent fraction for 4/12. There's 4/12 here, and the fractions directly above are 2/6 and 1/3, but that one here is the simplest. Write the simplest equivalent fraction for 8/12. 8/12 is directly below 4/6 and 2/3. This one's the simplest. Which fraction is greater, 1/6 or 1/3? Let's look where these fractions are. There's 1/6. There's 1/3. 1/3 is greater because it lies to the right of 1/6. Which fraction is greater, 2/3 or 5/6? There is 2/3. There is 5/6. The answer, 5/6 is greater because it lies to the right of 2/3.